Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all see where I'm at? All Park Garage. Nothing but muscles, guys. Now I got to go ahead and take care of some business, but y'all know me. I like for my camera to be running. Ain't no telling what you might see up in here. So let me take care of some business, guys. And I need y'all to be quiet, okay? Shh, shh, shh. Y'all keep it down. Ooh, what do we have here? This ain't no high performance. What the hell? Maybe they trying to get 1,000 horsepower out of this thing. Uh-oh, he getting ready to do a pull, guys. Got a car in a dyno. I'm curious. How many horsepower will we want out of this? Oh, this what's wrong with it. Yeah. Old school window regulator. Where you at, 69 Dart, man? You probably know how to fix this. My old school viewers. All right, what's his name? Damn, Papa Hobby. What you know about this? Look at this thing. Is that an 8-track? They took the 8-track out of here and put in a regular stereo. You ought to be shaming yourself. Look at that, guys. A freaking cigarette lighter. You know what? I bet it worked. Yeah, push the element in and pop out. What y'all know about that? Old school. Okay, yes, had an electric window with the electric. Yeah, remember this? Old school. It's gonna be hard to find parts for this. Now this may be a job for Derman. Might have to call Derman for these parts. All right, I'm talking too much and I'm playing too damn much. Let me get out of here. All right, anybody want to go down memory lane? It's only so far I can go back. I'm not a young guy, but I'm not an old guy either. So I can't call some of this stuff. I know this is AC accumulator. Look, guys, the evaporator was outside the car during the older days. Even the blower motor, that's a blower motor. Now, the resistor. Y'all remember the resistor with the springs? Yeah. Ooh, heater control valve. We definitely done using those. Okay, look at the size of that damn wiper motor. Holy crap. Look at the size of that master cylinder. Is that a horn? Wait a minute. Yes, that is a horn. You know what? Now I know post electronics and computers, where's the alternator? Because they use external regulators back then. Okay, this is an alternator. Where's the external regulators? Nowadays all the regulation is done by the car computer, PCM, ECU, whatever you call it. Okay, but normally that thing would be on the sidewall, just like a big old ass starter relay. Anybody remember the starter relay the old cars used to utilize? Yeah, I don't see it. I'm guessing that's the horn. Where's the freaking voltage regulator for the, oh my goodness, the servos for the cruise control? Yeah, all of that's fully electronically controlled. This thing probably got a mechanical fuel pump. Y'all know the fuel pump that had the lever that run off a centrifugal based from the block. Now most fuel pumps are located inside the fuel tank. Yeah. All right, talk about R12 we was talking about earlier. Guarantee you this is, unless it's been converted, and it has. You can tell by the size of this. So it has 134 likely, but yeah, man, it's been so long. This technology is still the same though. Okay, I mean, a lot of this stuff has been converted, but the technology remains the same. Yeah, they pretty much all use a fan clutch because electric fans wasn't a thing back then. All right, if I had to guess, anybody want to guess? 75, 76 maybe. Cutlass? No, not a Cutlass. I had a Cutlass. Oldsmobile. Capri Classic. Yeah, baby. All right, yeah, hang on to it, man. Wonder if you got full coverage. If you wreck this, there's no body shop to know what to do with something like this. Look at this. Yes, that's real. Okay. JT is out of control. What else? Air pump. Oh my goodness. When the last time you seen a small air pump? It's designed to pump air. Okay, I might be saying this wrong. Pump air into the intake system. Maybe. Yeah. I bet this transmission got a modulator valve on it. And there's a vacuum line going from that modulator valve up to the intake somewhere. Old technology, guys. There's no need to learn that because all of that is out of here. Long gone. But yeah, I ain't saw an air pump in so long. I ain't replaced one in so long. The typical power steering pump. We all remember that. As well as, yeah, water pump. Whole 9 yard. But just a lot of the stuff is obsolete. Totally obsolete. All right, I gotta go. That's all I have. This is nice. Yeah, Chevrolet, baby. Back in the day, old school Chevrolet. In fact, let me take a nice good picture of this. It's your boy JT the car guy. I gotta go, guys. That's all I have. I'll be back. All Park Garage. I'll be back. I'm out. Gotta go. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'm out.